Math games for middle school. Well, math is a hard subject, and what kind of games can you make to make math more interesting to learn? Hi, I'm Jimmy, and we're here to discuss a few ideas on how you might want to get started. Now, one kind of game you might want to consider is sorting games. Sorting games really helps folks understand how to combine like terms, what you can combine, what you can't. I have in front of me here 3 kinds of note cards. If you were to scramble them, what you might get the students to do is, again, put the color cards in so that they all match. So for example, have the orange cards go with the orange, the green go with the green, and the pink go with the pink. Have them be careful of not to interchange the different colors because the cards are not alike. That's an example of using like terms and having a game with it. Money games are especially effective because just about everybody can relate to money. It's a great tool for helping you determine addition, subtraction, as well as decimals because, as you know, money, the dollar bills and the coins, use a lot of decimals. Arithmetic games. The idea is if you take some pieces of paper, cut them up, you might have 2 groups of paper, each have from 0 through 9 representing the 10 digits, but have 2 stacks because you're going to have a 3rd stack with 4 pieces of paper, each involving an operation. One for addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and then that way it can get them quick ideas as to how to mix and match and use the different operations. For example, 9 times 3 or 5 minus 2. Those are just some other examples. And finally, another quick suggestion is if you know of a popular game show that a lot of your students watch, you might want to use a game show to incorporate that into a game, like Jeopardy, Millionaire. So for example, if you want to use Jeopardy, under a certain category, you might have them say the answer to 7 times 9, and the student might say, what is 63? So it's a good way to involve the students as much as they possibly can. So I'm Jimmy, and there are some ideas to incorporate games in middle school for math.